How to hide Reels option on Facebook. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now, at the bottom, you're going to find the fun option. You'll also find the option of videos where you're going to find the Reels. So, how to remove this option? For that, navigate to the menu page. Once you're over here, click on the settings icon. Once you are in settings and privacy page, at the top you're gonna see the search box. Over there type in tab bar and then search for it. With that the option will appear. Click on it. Now click on the option customize the bar. From here you are able to remove that video option or the reel option. What you have to do is you'll see the option of video or reel over here. At the right corner of it you're gonna find this kind of drop down. Click on it and select the option of hide. After you do that, the video or the reel option from your tab bar will disappear. You can see that. So this way you are able to hide reels option on Facebook. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.